Hey guys, it's Starr. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your Stripe payment methods directly in HighLevel. For business owners, this is so convenient because you do not have to head over to Stripe to make those changes. You can do everything right inside of our platform. Let me show you how to set it up. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. Then you're going to just go ahead and scroll down to payments on the left-hand side. Once you click on payments on the left-hand side, you're just going to scroll onto the top over to integrations and click on integrations. Then you're going to go ahead and click Manage Stripe. We'll click the Manage button. Once you're here on the Manage Payment Integration page, you're going to see a little blue box to the far right that says Manage Payment Methods. Go ahead and click that button. Some key benefits are that you have centralized control to manage all of your Stripe payment options without having to leave HighLevel. You can also separate both live and test modes. Let's go ahead and check it out. So in live mode, you have several product areas that you can manage. We have invoices, invoice auto payment, payment links, funnels for one-step order forms, funnels for two-step order forms, stores, calendars, courses, communities, surveys, subscriptions. Now what you'll notice is to the right, you can actually enable or disable these options. So within the wallet, for example, we have Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, Cash App Pay, Google Pay, as well as Link. You'll also notice the Buy Now, Pay Later options, which are super popular. You can enable or disable them as well. Affirm, Afterpay, Klarna, Zip, and then you also have bank debits that you can choose from. Direct debit, we have a popular payment debit system for Europe, as well as ACH direct debit, which is popular for the US, as well as a debit option for the UK. I also want to point out for the product areas for subscriptions, you can manage those separately. Just go ahead and click on subscriptions, and here you can enable or disable the payment options that you wish to have on or off. So just go ahead and toggle those features. If you'd like to turn those on, they'll go ahead and be enabled for the configuration. It's important to note that according to Stripe, this subscription list becomes available only after adding at least one subscription product in live mode, okay? So do point that out for each sub-account. After you've enabled everything, you can go ahead and save your options. Additionally, we have test mode. Within test mode, you have the ability to enable or disable certain payment methods that you want to have specifically for test mode. Now, you may be wondering if you already have payment methods configured in Stripe, your existing settings are actually preserved. Default payment methods for product areas or checkouts will match the original Stripe setup unless you update them in HighLevel. As noted, live and test modes will be enabled separately, so you have the ability to manage those independently. Now, these changes will only be applied to the sub-account that you're currently managing. So if you have more than one sub-account, you just want to navigate over to the other sub-account and make those changes. Now you can start creating payment links to sell products quickly. You can launch two-step order forms right inside of a funnel, and you can set up subscription billing for recurring revenue streams, all without having to leave the HighLevel platform.